Hey man, you know where you watch. Dancehall Skilla. Alright viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and everyone, and watch this right about now. I have been told that sometimes beauty comes with a little pain. So I'm guessing they're talking about the waxing and the plucking of hairs, you know, to get that smooth look, or you know what you want, you see me? And with something like this, viewers and subscribers, I saw a video out on social media, and I'm not so sure if it is that painful to be that beautiful. You know what I mean? Now, this video shows of a person wearing a certain form of eyelashes, right? And some persons on social media find it to be ugly, and some persons are saying, no, it is beautiful. Now, as for me, I don't find it ugly nor beautiful. I find it to be funny. Alright, just let me know what you think about what I'm about to show you right now in this video. It's a very short little video, viewers and subscribers. Alright, yeah. Would you wear eyelashes like this? That's the question right about now. Alright, take a look and observe. Would you wear these kind of lashes, alright, or eyelashes? You know what I mean? That's the question right about now, you know? And don't get me wrong, I am not here to disrespect anyone, you know? The fact is that this video is out on social media, getting somewhat of a little buzz, you know what I mean? And in my point of view, I've never seen eyelashes this tall before, you know? And there's the next thing I have to really ask. I wonder if they are actually real eyelashes. You know what I'm saying to you? Wow. Hey, the last time I saw a video with a female on a boat and her eyelashes was being caught in the wind, it was like all over the place. You get what I said to you? Yeah, and it make me ask a question again too. Like, me have to wonder what would happen if you go into the pool and then the water floats it and it gets into your eyes and all these things. You see me? There's a lot to think about with these kind of fashions nowadays. That's what I'm saying to you. So let me know what you think about this, viewers and subscribers. Alright? And don't know me there, so I keep you up to date and posted and let you know what I want. So until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?